This is Emmanuel. Today we're gonna test a foam cannon and a foam gun. We're gonna see the difference between those two, the foam cannon and the foam gun. Let's watch the Supra. Let's do it.
You trying to compete, it's wasted. Came from the bottom, but now I'm in front of the line. In front of the haters, I turn them to motivators. I don't owe them no favors, and any beef I get catered. I'm on my way, doing my flex, running it up, getting my checks. I got the power, give me respect. I live this life, then on to the next.
Okay guys, so today we're gonna see the difference between a foam gun, this one, and this one. This is a foam cannon. Okay, this one is new, I just got it. We're gonna test it. This one comes with this and nozzle for the water hose. Okay, this is the older one I had before, because the new one, this one, it doesn't have no adjustment here, nothing, no adjustment, just this one on the nozzle. But this one is the old one, the same brand. It has a adjustment for the mix from the soap and water on the top of the bottle. Okay, and it comes with the nozzle too. Okay, and this is the foam gun. This is the one I want to test. This one, it has adjustment on the top right here. You can see it. This one is for how wide do you want the spray here, and on the top has adjustment for the mix from the water to the soap, water and soap. How much soap do you want to mix with the water? Okay, and this is my soap. Oops, sorry. This is my soap that I want to test today. This is turtle wax, zip wax. Okay, so we're gonna test this one. But for this one, you need a pressure washer. So I have a pressure washer that we're gonna test for this one. Okay, so this one, we're gonna test it with the pressure washer. And this one, you only need the water hose. But this is the old one. We're gonna test, I think, both. Let's see which one if the new one is better than the old one, because this one doesn't have no more adjustment in here, and this one, it has adjustment for the mix of soap on the top. Okay, so let's start with the test. The Supra is clean, but we're gonna just spray the soap and let's see how much soap we can get on any of these foam guns. Foam cannon and foam gun. Let's start with the test. Okay, first let's start with the old one. You only need a water hose and the nozzle. No special tools, just this. And this one here. That's it. Oh, let me add some water and soap. I'm gonna put water till here and then this mash of soap. Now the new one has a different nozzle, because the connection, this one is different. So now let's test it. So this one is alright. The only thing, it doesn't have adjustment for the mix of soap with water, but other than that, it's nice. I like it. Alright, so now it's time to test this baby. Yes, so this one has adjustment in here on the top. You can see, I don't know if you can see it. Right there, you can see it right there. So this one opens and closes, okay, and the mix on the top, okay. But for this one, you will need a pressure washer. This is an electric pressure washer. The links for everything, they're gonna be in the description down below. Okay, so this is electric pressure washer. This is the brand that I'm using. I'm gonna use this soap, turtle wax soap. Okay, so let's prepare this one for the test. Now let's connect this one. Okay, make sure it's all the way so it won't fly from you. So the mix. Look at that. Man, it's beautiful. All that foam. Let me show you. Look at that. Wow, it's amazing. Yes. Wow. This is a lot of fun. Amazing. Yeah, so but for this one, this is the foam cannon. You need to have a electric, well, a pressure washer. You can get a gas pressure washer or electric pressure washer, but I have this one. So this one is nice and works fine for me. No, it doesn't make that much noise, and it works good. Okay. And this one, I'm using this one with that one, but the links for everything is gonna be in the description down below. Alright guys, so this is my opinion about the foam gun and foam cannon. Okay, so these are great because on this one, these are around $40, comes with a nozzle, and the only thing you will need is a water hose. Okay, but the pressure is not that strong, but it's fine. If you don't want to spend a lot of money, these are great. Okay, but this one doesn't have adjustment. It's good, but I like this one with the adjustment for the soap. Okay, so this is the same brand, but this is the old one, this is the new one. Okay, and now this one This one is amazing. I love this one, man. It has adjustment here on the how much wide you want the spray, thin or wide. The mixing on the top, amazing. But the con about this one is that you have to get a pressure washer. You can get an electric pressure washer or a gas pressure washer, but the problem about the gas pressure washer is very loud. You will get more pressure, but it's very loud. And that one is not too expensive. That's a good thing. So the list for all of this is gonna be on the description down below. Which one I like the most? This one. this one. But if you don't have a pressure washer, you can go with any of these. Okay, these are great too. If you don't want to spend a lot of money, you just wash your car not too often, these are great. I like this one. I had this one before and they work great for me. But if you wanna get something amazing, get this one, but you have to get a pressure washer. Okay, but let me know what you guys think in the comments. The Supra is clean, and you have to dry the car with a drying towel, and that's it. But put in the comments your opinion. What do you like the most? You like this or you like the foam cannon? Right now for me the foam cannon is the best. If you want to use a foam like to wash your car, this one is the best. But if your budget is little, this one are great too. Okay, okay guys, that's the foam cannon and the foam gun. Both are great. The foam cannon, you will need a pressure washer. You can get an electric or gas pressure washer. For the foam gun, for that one you just need the hose, your water hose. It will work, but it won't have a lot of pressure, but it's fine. To wash the car is good. Okay, but your opinion, put in the comments down below and let me know what you guys think. If you like the video, please like the video, subscribe for more videos like this one, and share it with your friend. And see you on the next video. And subscribe. All right.